Guys, this is me, Muhammad Azeem Abid, and by profession, I'm a chartered accountant serving as a manager in one of the MNC. First of all, before proceeding further, I will request you guys to please subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon so that you can get this continuous stream of videos which will be uploaded periodically. Today, I'm going to introduce you guys with an outclass idea of getting online free education material about accountancy related professional certifications like CA, ACCA, and CIMA, etc. We are a group of professionals of 7 professionals have developed a platform on the YouTube with the name FOC, meaning free online classes. This YouTube channel platform is established with an aim to provide accountancy related educational material in terms of notes, handouts, video lectures, live interactive sessions through our channel. So I'm going to teach you guys advanced accounting and financial reporting of CFAP level of ICAP. And after this first introductory video, we will have our next sessions outlining the way forward to cover our syllabus and timelines. So I'm looking forward for you guys response, which will not only enable us to promote our basic idea of free education, but also to equip our future accountants with the skills and education which is necessary for their future success. Thank you very much.